Welcome to this continuing series from Morgan Rees.
You ready for this? You ready for this?
Welcome. I'm standing in front of Better Place's worldwide headquarters in Palo Alto, California. Better Place has launched a nationwide electric car network in Israel and in Denmark.
Better Place's Israeli demonstration center is in Herzliya, which is a city in the central coast of Israel, at the western part of the Tel Aviv district.
In Israel, Better Place has seen a strong market demand for both fleets and consumers and has over 400 corporations representing a potential of 80,000 employees' cars. They have signed letters of agreement.
The charging process with the charging posts will take from 0% to 100% about 8 hours. And like I said, with 100% we can go 120 miles. Now, if we want to go more than 120 miles on one go, we're going to stop at the battery switching station. Now, the whole process of changing the battery takes about 5 minutes and you can go another 120 miles, which actually makes us special because of that, okay? The cable is connected to both sides, and as you can see, it's locked, so you can now, there is no way that a bystander can come and try to unlock it, or a neighborhood that doesn't like you or something like that. The only two ways to unlock the cable is first with the key. So I unlock the car like this, and now I can disconnect the cable, or I can use my own personal card and swipe it here. You see, there's a window here that will close. I swipe it, and it opens. Okay, simple as that.
And we go.
It's on?
Yeah.
Okay. It's so quiet.
Showroom, and what you can see behind me is how the car really looks like inside. So here in the front you can see the electric motor. The electric motor sits over here. It's a bit low, and you can see that it's much smaller, and it's also much simpler than the engines that we have in cars today. It means that it needs much less maintenance, just because it has much less moving parts. And all the energy to the electric motor comes from the battery, so you can see the battery over here, quite big. And the most important thing about this battery is that it's switchable, and that is very new because we have quite a few great electric cars today on the market, but they all have a fixed battery, which means that they're all limited in range. So you can drive. An electric car is always better than a regular car. It drives beautiful, but at some point you will have to stop. You'll have to charge, and it will take a few hours. With our switchable battery model, you don't need to stop. You can just get into a battery switch station, switch your battery, and keep going. So you're not limited on range. You can go from up north to down south, and you don't have to worry about your range. And that is the most important part of our solution, really.
Literally around the corner within walking distance are worldwide headquarters for Tesla. This seems to be an electric vehicle neighborhood. This concludes a short segment on Better Place in both locations, in the U.S. and in Israel. See you next time.
If you'd like to learn more about these important concepts or any other issues that we've covered on today's show, log on to www.morganrees.com. That's morganrees.com. Thanks for listening.